Lemurs are a fascinating group of primates native to the island of Madagascar. These furry creatures are known for their large, round eyes, bushy tails, and a variety of unique physical characteristics. Lemurs belong to the family Lemuridae and are closely related to lorises and bushbabies, forming the infraorder Strepsirrhini. Their unique adaptation to their Madagascar habitat has led to an incredible diversity, with over 100 species, each with its own distinct features. Lemurs have a specialized digestive system that allows them to eat a diet primarily consisting of fruit, leaves, and insects. Lemurs communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Their calls can be quite vocal and can be heard echoing through the forests. One of the most famous lemur species is the ring-tailed lemur, known for its distinctive white and black ringed tail. Another interesting species is the ii, a lemur with a long, thin middle finger used for extracting insects from tree bark. Lemurs play a crucial role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers, helping to maintain the health of the Madagascar forests. Unfortunately, many lemur species are endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique primates and their habitats. The study of lemurs provides valuable insights into primate evolution and the unique adaptations that allow different species to thrive in various environments. Lemurs are not just fascinating animals, they are also a key part of Madagascar's rich biodiversity and a reminder of the incredible variety of life on our planet.